Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the all-electric HCL Explora, a car that promises adventure and a sustainable ride. So, buckle up, gearheads and green enthusiasts alike, because this is one electric adventure machine you won't want to miss. Key features: performance. Let's start under the hood. Well, technically there isn't one. The Explora boasts a powerful electric motor that delivers instant torque, giving you a thrilling acceleration experience that leaves most gas-powered cars in the dust. But it's not just about speed. The Explora is built for exploration, with an impressive range that allows you to venture further on a single charge. We're talking about some serious off-road capability here, thanks to its intelligent all-wheel drive system and ample ground clearance. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling a mountain trail, the Explora can handle it all. Design: unique selling points. Now, let's talk design. The Explora isn't your average electric car. It has a rugged, futuristic aesthetic that screams adventure. The high seating position gives you panoramic views for navigating those scenic routes, and the spacious interior is designed to comfortably accommodate your gear and fellow explorers. But perhaps the most unique selling point of the Explora is its modular cargo system. It allows you to easily customize the cargo space for anything from camping equipment to bikes, making it the ultimate adventure companion. Technical details: layman-friendly. Now, for the tech lovers out there, let's break down some of the specifics. The Explora features a high-capacity battery pack that can be conveniently charged at home or at public charging stations. Plus, with regenerative braking, you'll be topping up the battery while you drive, maximizing your range. And when it comes to safety, the Explora is packed with the latest driver assistance features, keeping you and your passengers protected on any adventure. Balanced take conclusion. Of course, no car is perfect. The Explora, with its focus on off-road capability, might not be the most fuel-efficient option for daily city commutes. But for those seeking an electric vehicle that can conquer any terrain and fuel your adventurous spirit, the HCL Explora is a compelling choice. Call to action. So, if you're ready to ditch the gas station and embrace a new era of sustainable exploration, then the HCL Explora might just be your perfect electric adventure partner. Let us know in the comments below what kind of adventures you'd take in the Explora, and don't forget to like and subscribe.